Sometimes you're going to find you got a tail light lens or a parking light lens, a plastic lens that maybe you can't replace, you can't get anymore. Let me show you how you can fix them. When you got a little mark like this or a scratch or whatever in it, you can take maybe a 400 paper and you can sand that out. When I get this sanded down good and smooth, I'm going to switch papers to 600 paper. And when I get finished with that, I'm going to switch to about a 1200 paper. And then I'm going to take some rubbing compound and rub it. You can see it's starting to get smaller now. You could also sand this with water, but I'm not going to fool with that right now. It's just about gone, just got a little bitty mark left in it. The scratch is gone. My next move is 600 paper. I want to get as many scratches out as I can. The only thing I have left right now is just kind of a dull finish. We'll bring that back to this bright finish with rubbing compound. I want to get a few more scratches out. Okay, now we'll try some rubbing compound on it. And you got different grits of rubbing compound. You got a real coarse and a real fine. You can't even see where it was damaged. It's beautiful. In fact, you can use this to clean up all your lenses if you got a lot of crud on them that you can't wash off. It'll make that whole lens shine. Most lenses can be repaired like that.